Hello, my name is Lori Spensieri. I'm your self-appointed positivity princess. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. I'm here spreading positivity and helping others to live their best lives. Join me on my path to riches. I will be using so many tips and tricks that I've collected on my way to prepare for this journey. If you are intrigued by anything that you've heard or seen, please click that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe. You don't want to miss it when I have my massive breakthrough. This video will represent day 86 to 92 of my path to riches. Okay, everyone, I have to start doing some deep work. I have to figure out where my blocks are. What's holding me back? I have to figure out if I'm blocking my blessings. I have to set a clear and specific intention and then do the law of attraction methods that work for me. I have been reading up on a method called scripting. This is my missing link, I'm sure of it. When you write down your ideal outcomes, you are forced to paint a picture with your words on paper. This picture has so much detail, you don't want to leave an incomplete picture for the universe. You don't want to leave anything up in the air. Okay, so if you recall from this video, $5,515,836 to be in my bank account by the end of June 2020. Okay, well, until that happens, I'm going to set smaller goals. First, I will show you my new personal statement for this new shorter term goal. Then I will show you my script of it. Okay guys, I spent the last 20 minutes doing a little bit of scripting. So here it is. I'm gonna share it with you guys, okay? So again, the manifesting of the $5,515,836, the date I've set is June. So in the meanwhile, I'm setting some smaller goals. Okay, so here it is. I wake up this morning at 5 a.m. I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. I had a wonderful feeling in my heart and soul. I'm resting and calm. I meditate. I write a gratitude list of 5 things in my cat journal. Okay, I'm so grateful for the blessings in my life. I'm abundant and money comes to me quickly and easily. Thanks, Jade. I go about my day. I play with my kids, I make breakfast, everyone eats together at the table, and we make plans for the day. Everything is closed. We're all on lockdown for the next 2 weeks. But that's not going to that is not going to put a damper on our fun. We have a list of 10 things that we can do. Here we go. Number 1, go to the park. Number 2, play in the backyard. Number 3, watch a movie together. Number 4, put up a tent in the basement and have a camp out. Oof. Number 5, bake muffins together. Number 6, family reading hour. That should go down. That should go down well. We'll see. Number 7, clean everything. Number 8, meditate together. Number 9, what should we do?
How does everybody cook?
We can bake together, okay?
How?
For fun. You mix something, I mix something. Okay, number 9. Okay, number 9, play board games. So Matthew has a new mousetrap game.
That's boring.
And number 10, what could be number 10? Oh, everybody does a family workout. None of this costs any money and none of this requires us to go out and buy anything or go anywhere. It is all safe, if you put it that way. Okay, so at the end of the day, I got off on a tangent. At the end of the day, I check my account and there's an extra $1,000. I'm happy and grateful, but at the same time, I know money comes to me quickly and easily. I get surprises all the time. I give my 2 boys an extra cuddle and they go to sleep. I end the night with a glass of white Zinfandel and I drift off to dreamland after giving instructions to my subconscious, of course. So that is the script that I'm using. I learned about scripting from this book, the last law of attraction book that you will ever need to read. It's true. These methods are great. Now let's get to the scripting. I am to start with a statement of gratitude, then provide more detail, then close with more gratitude. Here goes. My next video in My path to riches will be day 93 to 98. Stay tuned. I really am going to have a huge breakthrough, people. Now, did you know that I have a Facebook group as well? It is dedicated to positivity and happiness. It's not huge, but the members are one of a kind. As always, hi guys, sorry, this video is all over the place. Just trying to get it done. Everybody's home, and either way, okay, 3 shout outs from AB Positive are to Steve Mitchell, Debbie Sears, and Jim Wintercard. Hi guys. A little shout out. Oh look, Matthew's giving you a little demo of his Lego there. A little shout out to you guys for being awesome members of our awesome little group. Keep posting, keep being positive, keep that spirits high, okay? Keep the vibe high. And I love you guys. Oh, and also I just wanted to remind everybody to have a really lovely day, and that's going to be the end of this video, okay guys? Sorry for the mashed up, all over the place, 17 different sets and scenes in the house. You can see it's a little bit of a mess. All right, have a great day, and A, be positive. I've set a manifestation goal of 5,515,830. I have set a manifestation goal of 5,515,806.